Hi everyone! Today we are tackling a topic that I know many of you struggle with. Makeup for acne-prone skin. I will be using a fantastic range of products from Dermacolor, known for their incredible coverage and long-wearing formulas. First, after ensuring my hands are thoroughly washed and disinfected, I'm going to prep the skin with the Dermacolor Moisturizer cream. It's formulated with lovely herbal ingredients like avocado oil and aloe vera oil, which will give the skin a boost of hydration without feeling heavy or greasy. Yes, even oily skin needs hydration. I like to really massage this in, paying extra attention to any dry patches to create a smooth canvas for the makeup. Next up, for our main coverage we have the Dermacolor Camouflage Creme. This product is seriously impressive because it's incredibly highly pigmented. It's specifically designed to correct and cover all sorts of skin concerns. And you can see how effectively it will be for minimizing the appearance of acne and any remaining discoloration after color correcting. For application, I like to use a soft double fiber brush. I will be stippling the product onto the skin using both the larger and smaller ends of the brush to really work the product in and build coverage where needed. This stippling technique helps to create a more natural, airbrushed finish without dragging the product over any active breakouts. What's really clever about the Dermacolor system is that when you use this cream properly, you can achieve a really natural look, especially because all the shades are intermixable, allowing you to create your perfect match. Let's talk a little bit about color correcting. If redness is a significant concern, using a tint of green can help to neutralize that redness. Remember, the color wheel? Green sits opposite red, so it effectively cancels it out. You will mix it with your foundation color and apply this sparingly and precisely to the red area. Gently blend it out. Don't use pure green because, due to the heat of the skin, the green will appear after a while. Similarly, if you have darker discoloration, such as dark spots from previous acne or even dark circles under the eyes, you can use a tint of pink or orange. Mix it with a highlighter. These shades help to counteract the blue or purple tones often seen in these areas. I prefer to do this step after my foundation because most of the time the foundation covers enough. To make sure all the coverage stays put and looks great all day long, I will be using the Dermacolor Fixing Powder. This is a must-have within the Dermacolor system. It acts as a perfect finishing touch to set the camouflage cream, making it waterproof and giving it a lovely matte finish. I like to massage the powder into the puff and gently push it into the foundation. This pressing motion, especially on the face, helps to avoid using too much powder, which can sometimes emphasize texture and make the skin feel too dry. This powder is super lightweight, so it won't feel cakey, and it really locks in the coverage. Now, Dermacolor Fixing Spray, making it smudge-proof and long-lasting, even under things like swimming, heat or physical activity. So now that you have seen the amazing products, I hope you feel more confident in tackling makeup for your acne-prone skin. It's crucial to have realistic expectations. Makeup can be your ally in achieving a smoother looking by addressing color concerns. And with the right products and techniques, you can achieve a flawless and comfortable look that helps you feel your best.